This is Alan here with Detached Recess Solar. It's my boy Abe.
What's up?
And then that's Skirt Skirt right there.
Are you good over there? Cracking that thing with the booty smacker.
Got that on video. 4K.
Said, yeah.
60 FPS.
Fuck it. 256 gigabytes. You fucking. I hope you got that shit too.
Yeah.
Hey, she said she's selling those if you want them. No, I'm not kidding.
Oh, I thought you were fucking around.
No, she really did. But I mean,
No cap.
your tummy?
Hell yeah.
Stomach. My stomach.
Those burritos ain't no joke.
Bro, have you tried illegal Pete's? What are you doing over there?
No.
Bro, that shit's smack. That shit.
Windows been trying to get me to go there.
Illegal Pete's?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dude's actually an immigrant.
No, he's not. He's fucking Chinese or something.
He's Chinese?
I
Yeah.
have no clue.
No,
you
it's a
saw,
white dude and a black dude.
you saw him or what?
I'm like,
That shit keeps going down. I'm just gonna tell her.
I don't know what you heard about me. What do you say? Oh, I'm so confused. What the fuck you say?
It's a turn around. Turn around. Turn around, fool.
Oh, my shirt.
the number.
Is there a number on here, really?
Yeah.
Never mind, I can't fucking see your
800, 833, 7040.
7041.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
7040.
1.
Here. Wait, what?
7041.
I'm barely on the first three numbers.
Just like it, bro.
800, 833,
70 41.
40. 70 40.
41. 70 41.
It's 40, dog.
1.
You get it, man. Good day,
You're welcome. I don't know, bro. Intrusive thoughts, bro.